Hey guys, it's Final Rant. Welcome back to another video. This one we're going to be in the kitchen. We're making some deviled eggs. Oh my god, these deviled eggs are so good. Like so good, y'all. So yeah, whenever I go anywhere, I have a potluck, this is what I make. If you want to know how to make them, then stay tuned. It's just like squeezing an udder. I know y'all done milked a cow before, especially if y'all live in Texas. That's everybody's first grade field trip. Okay guys, so you're gonna get your eggs. You're gonna take the yellow part out of that part. Don't mind my kitchen, it's a little messy. It is Thanksgiving. You're just gonna smash up the eggs till they're not like solid anymore and they start to like crumble like this. Make sure you use a fork to do this. This will make that a lot easier. Okay, you're gonna season this. I'm gonna put a little bit of red pepper, black pepper, and onion powder. I like my food overly peppered. Yeah, onion powder and garlic. And some salt. About a dash of salt, maybe 2 dashes. That's enough. And I'm gonna put a little Tajin in here to, you know, flavor it up. We like our food extra seasoned. Then you're gonna go in with a little bit of Dijon mustard. I'm gonna put about that much. Not a lot because this already has lots of flavoring. You don't want it to be too flavored. Whoop. Then you're gonna go in and put some mayonnaise. I would say about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We don't have enough in here as it is, so. I thought I bought some mayonnaise, but I can't find it, so maybe like they didn't put it in the bag or something. Maybe I'll substitute with some, I have like some cream cheese. I also have some sour cream, so maybe I'll use one of those. To substitute like 1 spoon.
I'm out.
For that reason alone, I'm out.
I've got to say, I think this is a liability nightmare. You don't have any claims that you can back up, so I'm out.
Yeah, this will be perfect. I'm gonna do like 2 tablespoons of that. And a little bit of ranch. Which we also don't have a lot of. Baby, I'm trying to use all that I can. maybe a little bit more Grey Poupon. Then you're just gonna stir this up really good. And the secret to getting a really good deviled egg is adding a little pickle juice. It has dill in it, that's why. So I just added a little. I'm gonna stir it and then taste it to make sure it's not too much. And it like loosens up the egg, so you can move it to the boiled eggshell, to the egg white. Y'all see that stuff? Okay guys, for the deviled eggs, you're gonna go ahead and put it in a bag. Make sure the bag is deep enough to you know, make a cut right here where you can still squeeze it and put it on the eggs. It needs to be deep enough to pipe. Okay, so you just put this in here. Ooh. Wow. Hopefully you'll have a helper so this isn't too messy. If not, just spoon it in there. That's the least messy way. Ziploc it back up. And then you'll start with the piping.
So after this, the dish is pretty much ready. You could just garnish with a little more seasoning. You can use paprika or you can use Tajin. Any kind of like spicy or zesty seasoning on top of it. Then you'll just put it in the fridge until you're ready to serve it. If you like this cooking video, be sure to thumbs it up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell to get the notification on my next video. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Enjoy.